Unboxing, Part 15 M11 Infinite Variable Speed Handheld Fan. Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, I will unbox a fan. But please, don't forget to like and subscribe for Part 16. Let's unwrap and open the box. Let's open the plastic. The fan works. Let's unbox more. I unboxed a charger and a manual. The fan video made in 2024 went viral all around the world and it got 9.6 thousand views. Now I am going to show you the manual in 2 languages. Stop this video to read. The display indicates the battery when I don't press any button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for Part 16.